welcome back to South by Olivia. So for today's video, it's just going to be a regular week for me. I had to go back to the office this week, so this is just a little bit of what I saw, what I was doing, what I was up to, during the week. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, my adventures abroad. But yeah, let's get started. So what you're seeing now is just some views of central Hong Kong. And my lunch one day, I went to a really nice Japanese restaurant. Hong Kong has some really beautiful architecture, as I've showed you in my other videos, but the buildings are really beautiful, especially at night. I really like the way they incorporate parks and greenery throughout the city. Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. So I'm walking home from work. It's just raining, so excuse my hair. But yeah, so it's Friday. I'm so ready for the weekend. I hope you guys know that, oh, look how cute this park is. Sorry, side note. This is a really cute park that I did not know was here. Actually, I think I might walk through the park. I'm walking through the park on my way home. I just wanted to catch up and talk to you guys and show you the reality. So glamorous, all these computer bags, all this stuff, walking home in the heat. Yeah, because I think sometimes it's really easy to look at other people's lives and be like, oh my goodness, they're doing this, they're doing that, but it's so easy to look at other people's lives and not realize they do regular stuff too. So I definitely want to show you guys that it's not everything is always so glamorous. These plants, I will say that the plants here are glamorous. I will say that it's like guarding goals. Look at that, goals. But yeah, every day isn't glamorous. Sometimes I'm a sweaty mess with too many computer bags walking home. Sometimes that's life, So yeah, I hope you guys understand what I was trying to say with my little tangent here. I hope you're enjoying seeing life in Hong Kong for what it really is, and not always just the glamour shots. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Look at this greenery. I'm not over it. So fabulous. This is Landmark, again, the famous mall in central Hong Kong. I've really found that slowing down and stopping to smell the roses, as cliche as it sounds, has honestly made a big difference. So just taking time to actually walk through the beautiful parks that I see instead of rushing by or taking a cab. There really is so much to see in Hong Kong, and sometimes you just have to slow down in order to appreciate it. This is actually inside the famous HSBC main building in Hong Kong. There actually is a bank in here. So the first floor is actually a bank, the rest is offices. So I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the architecture looks from the inside. I don't know if you guys feel this way, but now that I've worked from home for so long, I'm so not used to being in an office anymore. It was nice to take little breaks, get into nature for a little bit.
So that was the majority of my week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I tried to show you again a little bit of a side of Hong Kong that you may not typically see, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.